Welcome to Cover. Learn how to share a digital magazine on email. At Cover, we provide multiple options to share magazines for both readers and creators. Let's begin with Cover Readers. Sharing a magazine through email is simple. Open the magazine you'd like to send and click on the Share button on the bottom right toolbar. The Share Magazine pop-up menu will appear, offering various options. Let's start with Embed in Email. Choose your email platform and select Copy Embed Code. On a separate tab, open your email service. Paste the embed code, customize your email, and your Cover magazine will be ready to be sent. Let's explore the Email Preview Pages option. Complete the following steps. From, email recipient, and your desired message. Select the pages you want to include and click Send Email. Your Cover magazine will be delivered to your chosen recipient. Now, let's explore how to share as a creator. Start by heading to your creator home. Navigate to the magazine you wish to share and click on the Details button. On the Details page, scroll down and select Send by Email. Fill out the email information. Type email address. Press Enter to continue. Write the remaining information, subject, email heading, and description of your email. Select Preview Pages and customize the Click to Read button to direct recipients to your magazine. Once everything looks good, click Send Email, and your magazine will be sent. Cover facilitates advanced sharing options. For email marketing distribution campaigns, select Download HTML. This allows you to embed your magazine directly into your email marketing distribution platform. It's as simple as dragging the downloaded file into your HTML email draft. For more details, view our video on how to share on email marketing distribution platforms. Cover, your home for a little more.